Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to do the kinemaster video rendering test support test between the iQOO 3 versus the Realme X1 Max. So Snapdragon 865 versus the Dimensity 1200. Let's see friends which phone will be able to render the video output. That is what I'm going to check faster. So this is a question which was been requested by plenty of users asking me to demonstrate the live performance. So by this way we will be able to know which Snapdragon processor is powerful or the Dimensity 1200 processor is powerful. And during this time of testing I'll try to show you exactly what I'm trying to use. I'll try to use the high performance mode which is present in this Realme X1 Max device. As you can see, high performance mode I'll try to turn on, and one test without high performance mode. Even in the iQOO 3 device we do have the monster mode option. I did enable that monster mode option, as you can see. So both are kind of equal now, as you can see exactly. Now let me need to open the kinemaster application. Let me need to show you exact what video I'm going to export. So first thing is that the device capability information, let me need to show you exactly. Both are kind of similar kind of score I did get. As you can see friends, exactly both are kind of similar kind of score I got. There's nothing much difference in terms of the device capability information. Let me need to go back. So right now I'm trying to select the same file. So same file I'll be selecting between the Dimensity 1200 versus the Snapdragon 865 processor. Same file I'll try to select, and let's see which phone will be able to render this 1080 file to the 4K file. So that is what I'm going to do it friends. From 1080 I'm converting into the 4K 30 FPS. You can see exactly the bitrate I'm trying to use, same bitrate in both phones absolutely, and same size is also mentioned, 888 MB. As you can see, this is a completely fair test which I'm trying to do between both phones. As you can see friends, same video clip from 1080 I'm converting into the 4K. And I do have the stopwatch ready with me. Let me to exactly start at same time both phones. So 1 2 3. Yes, so all together I started at same time friends, as you can clearly see there. So now I'm trying to convert the 1080 file into the 4K. This is the iQOO 3 device. iQOO 3 with the Snapdragon 865 processor. As you can see, this is the Snapdragon 865, and top one is the Realme X1 Max with the Dimensity 1200. This is our Dimensity 1200. As you can see in the video rendering test, you can clearly see here how much faster the Snapdragon 865 processor is. So if you want, I can definitely do the another comparison by using the Snapdragon 860 chipset as well. So this is the Snapdragon 860 which is present with me. I'll try to do the same kind of testing even with that phone in case if you want me to do. But right now in the live demonstration we got to know one thing, that Snapdragon 865 processor, now you can definitely understand the powerful, how much the SOE is, the chipset, how much powerful it is. And in the Dimensity processor it's going really very slow. I'm not sure why. So as you can see, so I'm not sure there's a problem with the Realme X1 Max or maybe with other Dimensity 1200, but this is the speed which you are getting at this moment. I'm trying to convert 1080 into the 4K. The iQOO 3's battery is even low, but still, so as you can see, it's kind of going and again it's stopping in the Realme X1 Max. I'm not sure friends, even I do have a lot of free space as well enabled in both phones, but still the iQOO 3 has been finished completely. You can see exactly complete. It's done. 1080 into the 4K. Maybe within 1 minute and 30 seconds only it finished. And whereas a Dimensity processor, it takes a lot of time. I'm not sure how much time the Dimensity 1200 will take, but this is just a basic sample which I'm trying to show you live proof what is happening with the both phones in terms of using the kinemaster. As you can see. So now you may think, so rendering to the 1080 to the 4K, maybe this might be the problem, but let's see what will happen if I try to select the 2K. Let's come down a little bit kind of 2K resolution. Let me try to stop this test friends. It doesn't make any sense because I don't know how much time the Realme X1 Max will take, but let's see. 2K resolution I'm trying to convert 1080 file, and as you can see the same size, 394 MB only, and free space 67 GB is there in the Realme X1 Max, and 62 GB is there in the iQOO 3 device, Snapdragon 865. Let's see the test right now. So this is going to be really very interesting. Now we are shifted to the 2K. Let's start at same time. So this is using the high performance mode only friends. So if I don't use a high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max, a lot of people they'll definitely say try to use a high performance mode, it will definitely boost it. That is the reason I thought of using and showing it to you in the live demonstration. As you can see the speed, how it's going on, the Snapdragon 865 and the Dimensity 1200. So next test I'll try to do the 1080. So 1080 to 1080, how much rendering speed we can actually experience. So obviously friends, the Snapdragon 865 is slightly more powerful than the Dimensity 1200. I can definitely say that, not only in this rendering test, in every test whatever I do, CPU throttling or benchmarks, even benchmarks I think slightly close to each other in terms of Antutu benchmarks most of the time. But performance stability I did like in the Snapdragon 865. That is what I did mention for a lot of other users. Not only in the iQOO 3, I'm not talking about this phone, I'm talking about the processor. Even I do at the OnePlus 8T, which is also having the Snapdragon 865. Even this phone also performed the same way. Still the Dimensity 1200 is taking some time. This phone finished within 52 seconds of time, the rendering speed. As you can see the speed, how much it is. So next video I'll try to do maybe with the Snapdragon 870 as well. I'll try to include that kind of test very soon with the Snapdragon 870. In case if you want me to do, I can definitely include that kind of testing. Right now Realme X1 Max is taking a lot of time, as you can see friends, exactly. So double the time. It's kind of taking double time than the iQOO 3 device. You did see the live demonstration what is happening. It's no other words. As you can see friends, 1 minute and close to 37 seconds, 38 seconds of time. Complete time it did take in the Realme X1 Max. As you can see, this is the situation with the Dimensity 1200. And let me do the final test, which is the 1080. So let me get down to the 1080. So right now 1080 resolution is done. Let me show you exactly what is the size. It's expected size is about 222 MB. As you can see in both phones, same bitrate 8.550. Same bitrate I'm trying to select friends in both phones. As you can see, same exactly Realme X1 Max and iQOO 3 only I'm trying to use, not any other phone. So as you can see, let me do the test again. Let's see this time which will be the winner. So 1080 to 1080 I'm trying to do just for normal testing purpose only. As you can see, this is the exact Realme X1 Max model only, which is the Dimensity 1200 model. As you can see the speed, how faster the Snapdragon 865 processor is right now. In this testing you can clearly see the difference, how much it is. Even if I compare with the Snapdragon 870, this will be the result. Yes. So I'm not sure with the Snapdragon 860. I need to check with the Snapdragon 860. So definitely let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do the Snapdragon 860 chipset testing. I can do that for you all. So let me know in the comment section below friends. So this phone finished within 38 seconds and this phone will take again more time. As you can see, the Dimensity 1200. So I'll definitely do my testing on the Poco F3 GT and OnePlus Nord 2 once I get hands on with those phones. So definitely I'm trying to buy those phones as well. So I'll let you know friends what is the performance with those phones and versus the Realme X1 Max as well in the future, in case if you want me to do any kind of in-depth testing. But these are complete statistics between both phones. In the kinemaster rendering video test, the iQOO 3, the Snapdragon 865 completely dominated the Dimensity 1200 completely. Yes, it's absolutely. We did see the live proof in the demonstration. 3 different rendering effects, we got that different results. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.